When discussing naval power in the Middle East, attention usually focuses on aircraft carriers, destroyers, and advanced missile systems. But beneath the surface, literally, Iran has been building a very different kind of naval strategy. Quiet, compact, and difficult to detect, Iran's growing fleet of mini-submarines reflects a covert submarine doctrine designed not to dominate the seas, but to deny them. So what is Iran's submarine doctrine really about? Why is Tehran investing heavily in small submarines instead of large blue water platforms? And how dangerous are these mini-subs in a real conflict? Iran understands one fundamental reality: it cannot match major naval powers ship for ship. Instead of competing directly with aircraft carriers and advanced destroyers, Iran has chosen asymmetric naval warfare, where stealth, surprise, and geography matter more than size. Submarines, especially small ones, fit perfectly into this doctrine. They allow Iran to operate unseen, strike unexpectedly, force adversaries to slow down, raise the cost of naval operations. In narrow waters like the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz, this approach is especially effective. Iran's submarine doctrine is not about sustained open ocean warfare. It is about ambush, disruption, and psychological pressure. Key elements include short, stealthy patrols, surprise attacks on high-value targets, mine-laying operations, coordination with surface drones, missiles, and fast boats. Rather than seeking decisive naval battles, Iran aims to create uncertainty and delay, forcing adversaries to operate cautiously. At the center of this doctrine are Iran's mini-submarines. Unlike large submarines that require extensive support, mini-subs are cheaper to build, easier to hide, optimized for shallow waters, harder to track acoustically. Iran has steadily expanded this category, seeing it as the most practical underwater weapon for its strategic environment. Iran's mini-sub fleet includes Ghadir-class submarines, Nahang-class designs, newer, undisclosed or partially revealed platforms. Recent unveilings and imagery suggest Iran is experimenting with improved propulsion, better sonar systems, reduced acoustic signatures, modular payload configurations. While exact specifications remain classified, the trend is clear: incremental improvement, not flashy leaps. Iran's mini-submarines are believed to be capable of launching lightweight torpedoes, deploying naval mines, inserting special forces, conducting intelligence and reconnaissance missions. In wartime scenarios, even a single undetected submarine can halt shipping lanes, force large naval formations to divert resources, trigger mine-clearing operations that slow everything down. This is not about sinking fleets. It's about controlling behavior. The Persian Gulf is shallow, crowded, and noisy, conditions that make submarine detection extremely difficult. Many submarines thrive here because shallow depth limits sonar effectiveness, commercial shipping creates acoustic clutter, narrow choke points amplify threat perception. In this environment, the mini-sub does not need advanced technology. It needs patience and concealment. Iran's doctrine is built around exploiting exactly these conditions. Recent Iranian announcements suggest the introduction of new mini-sub designs, though details are scarce. What analysts believe is changing: better endurance, improved command and control links, enhanced survivability against anti-submarine warfare. These improvements suggest Iran is preparing for longer, more coordinated underwater operations, rather than isolated missions. Iran does not view submarines as standalone assets. They are integrated into a layered system that includes coastal anti-ship missiles, naval mines, fast attack craft, unmanned surface and underwater vehicles. Each layer increases reaction time and operational cost. Individually, Iran's mini-subs are not technologically superior to Western submarines. But danger is not about individual platforms. It's about context and doctrine. Even a small, aging submarine can become a serious threat if it remains undetected. In this way, mini-subs become tools of deterrence, not just combat. For global trade, the implications are significant. The Strait of Hormuz handles a major portion of the world's energy supply. Iran understands this leverage well. They are quiet, persistent, and difficult to counter, especially in the waters Iran knows best. In modern naval warfare, the most dangerous threat is often the one you cannot see. And beneath the surface of the Persian Gulf, Iran's mini-submarines ensure that no naval operation is ever truly uncontested.